What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? Hope everyone had a great weekend. Excuse me. Today is Monday, December 20th, 2021. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. What up, Marvin? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. And thank you for all the stuff you posted on the Discord over the weekend. Good stuff, good stuff. I didn't really get a chance to look at it until today. But, you contributed a lot to the community, so appreciate you, man. All right. What up, Monir? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you as well, as always. All right, so people starting to come in here. Nice, awesome. Let's get started. So today we're doing the show from Rajasthan. Again. It's getting pretty old. Like, the last couple weeks, it's just bloodbath after bloodbath after bloodbath. It's getting real old, getting tired of this. But, I guess it could have been worse, We did have a pretty strong finish here to the day. Still overall pretty nasty, but, before everything was pushing, like, down 2%. Now it's, like, a little over 1% everything. So, yeah, still really nasty. But on the bright side, we did have a little bit of a bounce back there towards the end of the day. But still not great. But, regardless, got a great show for you guys today. Today's show should be pretty short, honestly. I always say that, and we end up going longer than expected. But actually, like, there's really not too much to talk about today. So maybe hour and a half. But, yeah, that's of course unless you guys want to stay and chat about anything. I don't care. Stock market stuff, life, whatever. That's cool. I'm willing to stay longer and kick it. But, yeah, today's show should be pretty chill, pretty straightforward. Shouldn't take too long. What up, Educated Fool? What up, Peasy? Everyone coming in nice and early today. Appreciate everyone. It's going to be a great show. Can already tell. See change I sold early. How did that go? I didn't look at that today. Oh, damn, that went up 36%. Well, you know what, Educated Fool? That's unfortunate, but, you should never complain about taking profits. You should never complain about being up. So I feel you, man. A lot of missed opportunity there, but, at least you're not in the red. So we got to think positive. But appreciate you for being here, dude, as always. And, it does look like it's about to cup and handle. So it looks like it's at the literal top right now, which we can look at in a second here. What up, Low Roller? Thanks for being here, dude. All right, everyone in here nice and early. Really appreciate everyone. Gonna be a great show. Is there a gap on SPY chart? We'll take a look at all these charts very soon. Let me just get through the monologue right now. All right, so yeah, great show for you guys today. Can already tell it's going to be a great show. A lot of people in here already. So as always, we'll do our daily stock and crypto reviews, and we have 2 articles today. One about backdoor RIAs, Roth RIAs. That is not, Congress was going to try to eliminate that. That's not happening. We'll take a look at that. And then Jim Cramer. It's a little fun stuff. News about Jim Cramer, because, Wall Street Bets hates Jim Cramer. I'm kind of indifferent about the guy, but I'm not going to spoil it. But we got some news about Jim Cramer. And today, we only have 2 for analysis, which I don't think we've ever only done 2 before, but there's literally nothing to talk about today in terms of trending. So we're going to talk about SOPA. That was the major runner today. And then we'll do NIO. That's been trending the past few days, but didn't really want to talk about it. But there's really nothing to talk about today. So NIO was one of the major losers today on StockTwit's top 10. So we'll get to NIO as well. And yeah, we only got 2 things to talk about in terms of TA. That really shouldn't take too long. SOPA will be real quick. NIO a little longer, but that should not take long at all. And then finally, we'll get to our Yolos, which should be pretty fun, the Yolos. There's a lot of memes today, and a few a lot of good lost corn. So that should be fun. But yeah, today's show should be pretty fun. Shouldn't take too long, straightforward. So let's do it, guys. All right, and before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. And a reminder, guys, no show on Friday, Christmas Eve. So stock market's closed, no show on Friday. All right, let's do it. All right, so this is SEAC, so Educated Fool. So I don't know when he sold, but yeah, this looks like the literal top right here. You know, it looks like the all-time high. Is this the all-time high? No, it's not the all-time high, but the yearly high, and it looks like a cup right here, and it's probably gonna pull back before it goes up again. Maybe I'm wrong, but yeah, this looks like a cup and handle forming here. Cup complete, and handle should start to form pretty soon. Is there a gap on SPY chart? I believe so, yes. Gap up from a while back. There is a gap back at 436. Yes, I did see this earlier today. I didn't realize it before, but I was looking at this earlier today. Yeah, there is a gap up here, 436. So that's not good. And it did double top here. You know, SPY did double top right here, and it's selling off right now. And there's a few gap downs. Actually, no, there's just one gap down today. So a gap down today at 458. So we got two gaps. Got a gap up and a gap down. I sure hope this doesn't come back down to 436, but very well could. But there's also a gap down today at 458, so that's a good thing. But yeah, there are two gaps on SPY. XCLA, if under $1, do you think they will reverse split the stock price? Now 52-week lows because they have ATMs open too. I didn't see XCLA today. I'm assuming it's down. It probably will, but only if it's below $1 for like a while, because I think they get a couple months or something to get in compliance. So if it stays under $1 for like a couple months, then I think they'll do a reverse split. But I wouldn't worry about it just yet. But yeah, this is like almost at the... Actually, did it hit the low today? I think it hit the low. All-time low. That's pretty nasty. So sorry about that, Monir, but you know, really can't go... Well, I shouldn't say can't. It really shouldn't go too much lower. You know, all-time low, so sure hope it doesn't. It really shouldn't, but yeah, you know, just hold right now. You should be all right. I have question for wash rules. If I buy Home Depot at loss, then buy McDonald's stock, can I deduct my tax loss? Is that allowed since both of them are a different sector? Well, if you sold Home Depot at a loss, then yes, you can deduct that. So, but you can only deduct if you realized the loss. So if you sold it already. Not sure if you sold McDonald's for a loss or a gain, or you're still holding, but yes, you can deduct Home Depot if you did sell it already. But I need a little more clarification there. Naked doing reverse split. Naked doing reverse split. Oops, wrong one. I mean, yeah, it's been a while. They haven't been in compliance for a while. You need to be over $1, so no surprise there. Reverse split. So that is not surprising to me at all. I need you to look at XRP chart. I need your opinion. Should I buy some more or not? Sure, dude. We can take a look at that. Maybe after we get done with the regular TA, if you don't mind. Christmas Eve is half day? No, I think it's full day, dude. Gotta double check, but I'm pretty sure it's full day. But we'll, yeah, I'll double check. I'm pretty sure the whole thing is, if it's a half day, then we'll do the show on Friday. But, I believe it's closed on Christmas Eve. So for right now, there is no show on Christmas Eve. Well, at least there's one gap down, so that's good. Yeah. It's still pretty scary, though, that gap up. I just looked at the screen. I see you, Mr. Suit and Tie, today. Yeah, I had a little more time, you know, so got dressed up. I always try to look, I always try to dress up, but, you know, can't really do it unless I got some extra time. So I had more time to prepare for the show today. So, yeah, looking nice for you guys, looking more professional. Appreciate that. Everything is hitting all-time lows a day. Today? Yeah, a lot of things are. DB. Don't think I've seen it here before, dude, so appreciate you for joining us. What's your opinion on SOPA and AF? Well, if you stick around for a little bit, or you can come back a little later, I'm going to do a full technical analysis on SOPA, but we're going to get through the news and we're going to just run through the watch list on the stock market and crypto today first and get to some news, and then I'm going to do a full TA on SOPA. So if you stick around for a little bit, you know, we can get to that. You can come back a little later, or you can watch the playback, or I'll do an edited version a little later, after the show, if you want, you know, the full TA. So we'll get to that. AF, I can do that real quick. I can't do a full TA, but I can look at AF real quick. All right, I don't think that's an actual stock. So yeah, SOPA. You mean ALF? I don't know what you mean by AF, but yeah. So stick around, dude. We'll get to that very shortly. If I decide to sell Home Depot at a loss, then after hours. Got you. Well, you know, we can look at we're looking at it live right now. It's selling off right now. That's not good. So usually, well, we'll have to see where this closes in the after hours. But usually when it sells off in the aftermarket and the pre-market, that's not a good sign for tomorrow. So as of right now, we'll have to see if this holds up. But that's not a good sign. It's probably going to sell off tomorrow. But we'll keep an eye on this. All right, if I decide to sell Home Depot at a loss, then buy first time McDonald's ASAP, can I deduct my tax loss? Yeah, if you sell Home Depot, then yes, you can deduct that from your taxes. But if you didn't sell McDonald's yet, then, you know, then you can't claim losses on that. I think that's what you're asking. So, if you already sold Home Depot for a loss, then yes, you can deduct that. But it's not a wash sale unless you buy Home Depot again, and then sell it again. I think that's what you're asking. So you only can't deduct it if you buy it again and sell it again for another loss. Biden make huge announcement tomorrow for lockdown. Uh-oh. Well, hopefully it ain't that bad, but... Alright, guys, so let's get started here. Okay. So the Dow Jones is down 1.23%.
Good.
The Nasdaq is down 1.1%.
Good.
And the S&P 500 is down 1.14%.
Good.
Yep, another bloodbath. What's new? But like I said earlier, it's not all too bad because we did have a pretty strong finish here to the day. There was a lot of buying pressure, but still overall for the day, pretty nasty stuff. The VIX is up 6%, up 1.3. So the VIX is now at 22.87. So yeah, we're still above 20, so that's not good. Anything above 20 is pretty volatile. Anything below 20 is considered stable and good. So not great there. All right, so on to the watch list. So green side, really not too much here. Highest gainer on my watch list here is the VIX. That's not good. Really not too much price action on everything else. Here's Groupon, Playboy. Naked did 4%. That's pretty nice. Looks like travel stocks are up. Cruises, airlines. Yeah, we got Carnival Cruise, American Airlines, Norwegian. So some travel stocks, not all of them. And then we have a few memes that are up. We got Express, that's up 2.59%. AMC, 2%. DWAC, that's a meme stock, 1.14%. GME, 0.96%. And Uber and Lyft are up. And some retail, Costco, Walmart. But yeah, really not much in the green here today. So you probably got wrecked unless you were, you have a large position in, unless you're like all in on AMC and GME or something. But pretty much everyone got wrecked. Even the apes, unless you're like all in AMC, GME. So not great. On to the red side. So yeah, mostly everything in the red. Good amount of price action here. Let's check it out. A lot of memes down. ALF, DATS, Prague, Workhorse, Peloton. Those are down like 9% and up. Look, MMAT is down 8.65%.
Good.
Now, Bitcoin, if any more dip, I will buy Riot or Marathon. You can, but honestly, I would just buy Bitcoin. Buying Bitcoin is a lot better than buying the Bitcoin exposure stock. So, yes, you can, but personally, and this is not financial advice, I would just go for Bitcoin itself there. I hope crypto wash rules won't go away in 2022. Yes, I hope not either, but it's going to happen eventually, unfortunately. So take advantage while, that's not a thing. But yeah, MMAT is down to like 260 now. This is disgusting. It just keeps getting lower. Lower lows. We got Lowerstown Motors, Plug, GREE, ATER, Nikola. These are all meme stocks down like 7 to 8% there. Novavax, that's pulling back. We discussed that on Friday. That's pulling back down to 200, down 7%. Microvision, Rocket, Moderna, meme stocks. Those are down over 6% there. NIO, which we'll talk about second today, that's down 6.13%. That's pretty disgusting. Lower lows for NIO.
Good.
China's really not doing great today. I remember I sold NIO in the 50s. So, it went down 50% since then. That's pretty nasty. I really like NIO, too. That's, but China's pretty no bueno right now. Are you selling Dogecoin at loss and rebuy Dogecoin? You can deduct your capital gains tax. No, I'm not selling Dogecoin. I'm gonna hold it through the spring. I'm hoping this Doge Rocket and this Doge Festival are big catalysts. I'm gonna sell the news, and if it doesn't get back up to 24, which is my average, I'm just gonna hold it till 24 and then just dump it as soon as I break even. But I'm hoping it moons in the springtime. That's what that's the plan. Buy in early, wait till big catalysts, and hopefully I can sell at 69. I'm not even joking. Not even because for the meme, but because on the chart. It actually, like, 69 is, like, the high point. Alright, so DD down 6%. I don't know why it's still trading. I thought it got delisted, but okay. Alibaba down 5.81%. Lower lows for Alibaba. 5. That's pretty bad. 5.8% in Alibaba. That's really bad. Palantir 5.77%. That's below 18. Lower lows for Palantir. Li Auto, another Chinese EV stock getting wrecked. Robinhood down 5.6%. XPeng, another Chinese EV stock. ANY, BlackBerry, Clover, Square, meme stocks. Those are down 5%. What else we got here? MicroStrategy, crypto exposure stock, 4.41%. Wish is down 4.33%. Wish is at $3 now.
Good.
Disgusting. Marathon down 4%. Another crypto exposure stock there. CEI down 3.81%. CEI is at $1 now. Amazing. Yeah, more meme stocks. Fubo, XCLA, Virgin Galactic, Roblox, Roku. Those are down about 3.5%. Tesla is down 3.5%. That's at 900. So I thought it would pull back to 910 and lower. And yeah, we're at 900 now. So it filled the gap there. And just keeps going lower. Meme index down 3.21%. What else we got here? Riot, Bitcoin exposure stock, down 3.1%. Viacom keeps going lower. How disgusting. DraftKings down 2.69%. Nice. Not nice, but nice. That's down to 28. Coinbase down 2.18%. Yeah, pretty much everything down. Value and growth. Everything is down today. But value's getting slammed. But mostly everything is down here. We got AMD. Well, Amazon 1.73%. AMD 1.42%. Oxygen 1.34%. Microsoft 1.2%. Apple 0.81%. That's pretty much it. So yeah, overall, stock market, pretty nasty stuff. Value down, growth down, everything down for the most part, except for like a few memes. AMC and GME. And we did, have a lot of buying here at the end of the day. So this is pretty nasty, but it could have been a lot worse. But yeah, nasty stuff, nasty stuff. Hope you guys are holding up here. The only person to blame for the MMAT price action is George. He said that the blackout period was over. Be here PR too much later and still no new PR. Well, I don't keep up with that stuff, but yeah, MMAT that's gone. Like at this point, it's just pure hope. These apes are delusional. And it's gone. Dogecoin isn't going up due to crypto in bear market now. Well, I'm going to hold for a couple more months. I'm hoping this Doge rocket and this Doge festival pump the price, and if not, I'm just going to sell for break even. I'll hold till it's going to go up to 24 eventually, again. So pretty disappointing how it's been trading, but yeah, I'm going to hold Doge for a couple more months still. Floki Inu got some news. You said thinking buying some Floki Inu. All right, we'll get to that stuff. Yeah, I don't think I'm buying Floki Inu. I don't know. Not anymore. All right, guys. So yeah, that is the stock market for today. Nasty stuff. Let's get on to crypto now. All right. So, okay, crypto's up now. It was down earlier. It was down like 3% earlier. Now it's actually in the green here. So crypto's up 0.43%. Nice. So let's check it out. What's going on here? Got some memes. Meta Pets. That was trending last week as well. That's up 35%. King Shiba. 1.4% up. Interesting. Then there's Shiba Inu Empire. Okay. Shiba Inu Empire up 400%. Son of Sheeb. This is getting pretty ridiculous. Son of Sheeb up 208%. Cross Chain Capital, I don't think that's a meme stock, but that's up 163%. So yeah, lots of Shiba stuff, Sheeb and Inu stuff. I think Clifford Inu went BitConnect the other day, but anyway. Did Clifford the Big Red Dog, like the movie just came out, didn't it? That's why there's a Clifford Inu. I don't know. I saw it on TV. Clifford. I was like, did that just come out or something? Anyway, so on to the real stuff here. Value coins. If you sell Dogecoin, then go up. If it didn't happen, yeah, never fails. But I'm pretty upset because I bought Doge and literally the next day it went up 50%. And I'm like, yes! And it just bled all the way back down, and now I'm down like 30%. So, I should have sold it instantly. Oh well. Alright, so Bitcoin's up 0.95%, over 47K again. Very nice. Ether up 0.32%, pushing 4K again. Binance down a little bit, 0.85%. Solana down 2%. Cardano up 0.26%. Yeah, apparently XRP was mooning this weekend, courtesy of Marvin. I did see it. I didn't know why, but yeah, XRP very volatile lately, but it's up 5.37% today. Terra up 8.83%. Avalanche up 5.73%. Very nice. Doge is down 0.67%. So Sheeb was trending on StockTwits today. I don't want to talk about Sheep, so we're not going to do it, but that's up 5.25%. Crypto.com down 2.79%. Litecoin down 0.29%. Anything else important here? Ether Classic down 0.81%. Let's sort this out. Oh, by the way, I think Jasmy is down to like 7 or like 6 now. I checked it like yesterday. It was like 6 point something cents. So, RIP to Jasmy. Alright, so what do we have here? So it looks like, I don't know, 35-40% of the coins here in the top 100 on the green side. Not too much price action. Only thing in double digits is Yearn Finance. This is mooning of late. That's up 96% for the week, up 18.5% today. Then we got IOTX, 9.13%. Drops off significantly after that. Terra, Helium, Avalanche, XRP, Sheeb. But yeah. Right now, crypto is recovering. Not by much, though. But, earlier today, this was pretty down, so that's a bright spot. Onto the red side. So, yeah. Most of the coins in the red today, like 65% or something. But not too much price action on this side either. Worst thing is Decred, down 16.63%. Then everything is down like 6% or lower. Not too bad. Near Protocol, Hedera, Theta Fuel. Not too bad at all. So I would say crypto is kind of sideways today. Not bad at all. Earlier today, like I said, it was pretty nasty, down 3%. So nice recovery here. I will take it. I will take it. So, yeah, overall, pretty uneventful day in crypto right now. Okay, let's look at these articles here. I don't know what these are, but let's look real quick. Crypto-friendly telehealth website claims Shiba Inu heading to Robinhood. Floki Inu to be listed on Binance. Telehealth website. Okay. So I guess it's just speculation as of right now. No confirmation. According to a medical information website. Yeah, I don't know how much I believe this. How credible are they? Telehealth website? So it's a medical website. Okay. So maybe that's why Shiba's going up today, but I would not trust this. Ask the Doctor. I don't know who Ask the Doctor is, but claims Robinhood plans to list SHIB in 2022, while Binance will list Floki Inu by the end of this year. Website says the information has been provided by a reliable source. I'm not buying it. I'm not buying it. So, okay. But, weren't there rumors that, like, how many times have there been rumors that SHIB is going to get listed on Robinhood? And they're like, nope. So, I don't know. Maybe it's true, but this is pure speculation right now. I'm not buying it until Robinhood actually says it is. A doctor claiming to have inside information here. Stupid. Okay. So, I don't believe it, but okay, we'll see what happens. More speculation. What up, Busy Bone? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. Pumper site. Yep. Probably. And it's working. She was up, 5% today. Please smash the like button, guys. Would appreciate that. Dog Elon Mars isn't doing well. I mean, none of the memes really are. I mean, Shiba's up today on this crap, but probably go back down. Crypto feels like a safer bet now than the stock market right now. Well, it is a hedge against inflation. I did see you post that chart about especially younger people splitting between crypto and precious metals. So people are hedging against inflation with crypto now for sure. Not sure if it's going to work, but people are buying Bitcoin and other cryptos because they're scared of inflation. Shiba Inu price target almost you can buy for you. Yeah, what was that? I wanted it at 25. I'm not sure what it's at now, 30 something. So not yet, but yeah. Hopefully very soon. I'm in there. All right, what's this? Floki Inu coin to launch major YouTube advertising. That's no surprise. I didn't know this, but apparently like 4% or like 6% of Floki Inu, like they take your money to use it for marketing. So, yeah, really no surprise here. They're just advertising everywhere. You see it all over New York City, billboards. I think a couple months ago or a couple weeks ago, London or the UK banned their advertisements in their like subways. So, I'm not surprised. So, Floki Inu is trying real hard. I don't know. It seemed okay at first, but I'm starting to think this is like, I don't know, a Ponzi scheme or something. The way they're just advertising so much. So, yeah, see? Floki Inu's aggressive marketing machine courted controversy in the UK when the coin became the focus of a wider political debate on crypto advertising. So, I don't know, just be careful, guys. This is not surprising at all. But, yeah. Just be careful. I don't think I'm gonna buy Floki Inu anymore. I'm pretty scared. It's pretty alarming. Floki Inu equals Safe Moon equal B Connect.
Be connect.
The best advertisements, word of mouth. Yeah, anything that's heavily marketed. You know, you see billboards and influencers starting to talk about crypto. When Kim K starts talking about crypto and stuff, and Logan Paul and whatever, probably shouldn't buy it. Yes, it is BitConnect. It probably is a pump and dump Ponzi scheme type of thing.
Be connect.
Which that word of mouth advertisement can only be accomplished through having a project with real utility. Absolutely, absolutely. I agree 100%. So, yeah, news on your meme coins here. Sheeb and Floki Inu. I don't trust it, but, you know, if you guys want to buy it, go ahead. Not financial advice. Okay, on to the news here today. A lot of crypto yield farming paying 10,000% interest rates. That's even worse than BitConnect. It is literally BitConnect. Well, it is worse than BitConnect. I forgot what BitConnect was, but what the actual yield was. But the thing, at least with these, I'm not saying you guys should buy it, but with BitConnect, you had to lock in your funds for like a month or like a couple months. I believe these these staking coins or whatever, you can pull your funds whenever you want. But yeah, not gonna matter when, you know, the value of the coin go. So you're gonna make 10,000%, but the value of the coin is gonna go down so much you're actually gonna lose money. It's ridiculous. And I was gonna put USDC on Celsius because it's, I don't know if I told you guys this already, but they're very misleading, because if you read their fine print or whatever, the language makes it seem like they're insured, but I did more digging. They are not insured at all. So I don't know. I'm very skeptical. Like, maybe Celsius is gonna go down one day. 10% is pretty reasonable, you know. Like, it's not unheard of. But I was digging into how Celsius is able to pay 10% on USDC, and they're keeping it a secret. They're not gonna say. So very skeptical about Celsius there. And all these other coins, 10,000% or whatever, absolutely nuts. Don't do that, guys. It's not a good idea. Not financial advice. Do it at your own risk. You see Logan Paul fight this weekend? I did not. I didn't even know there was one, but I do have a meme later when we get to the Yolos. Pretty funny stuff. And I think that referenced Logan Paul. I don't know who he's fighting. It was some black guy, but yeah. Wait on that. I got a funny meme about that Logan Paul fight later. I heard Sheep is going to have a huge token burn coming up. Possibly, but you know, I'm not going to believe it till it gets confirmed by the actual Sheep team or whatever. You know, everything is just speculation right now. BitConnect only pay 5% interest rate per day. That's actually not bad. That's pretty reasonable. Well, no, actually no. That's pretty insane. 5% per day. That's a lot, dude. So that's 60% a month more because it's compounding. So that's pretty insane. Yeah, that's a Ponzi scheme. Crypto.com pay 14% interest rates on what? Really? On what? On certain coins, I think, but very shady. I gotta check that out. All right, let's get to the news today. Oop. Okay, so we got one article about Backdoor 401ks and one about Jim Cramer. So let's read here. Backdoor Roth 401k and IRA rules for the wealthy survive for now. Key points. The Build Better Act, Democrats, package of climate and social investments would have ended the backdoor and mega backdoor Roth strategies starting in 2022. These tax rules allow wealthy investors to skirt income and saving limits in Roth 401k plans and Roth IRAs. Roth accounts are attractive because future investments growth and withdrawals are tax-free after the age of 59 and a half. Senator Joe Manchin Democrat West Virginia said he won't vote for the legislation in its current form. The delay means the strategy will persist at least into next year. Okay. So yeah, this Build Back Better Act is like the new thing in politics. Democrats are trying to push this through, and this guy Joe Manchin is holding it up. The only guy. Democrats hate him right now. But yeah, hidden in this act here is the closing of the backdoor Roth strategy, which, is essentially a tax loophole that everyone's been exploiting for a long time. So, pretty significant stuff here. There's a lot that goes into this bill, and yeah, this is one of them. Kind of like how the infrastructure bill had crypto hidden in there, like crypto regulation hidden in there. Sneaky stuff. So, yep. So, you can still use the backdoor Roth for right now. No guarantees in the future, but for right now you can. Drip is paying 1% per day. Even that is pretty shady. So that's like 30% plus per month compounding. And I thought USDC 10% a year was pretty skeptical, but yeah, 1%, 5% a day, that's pretty unheard of. Sounds like a Ponzi scheme waiting to happen. I don't know. Doesn't sound too safe. How can we do it? Can we do it too? Yeah, absolutely. Anyone can do it. The problem is, but the reason why wealthy people do this, sorry about the sour, this guy's going to talk over it. The reason wealthy people use this loophole is because they're able to wait until they're 60 years old to withdraw, and you don't have to pay tax on it. Regular people can't wait until they're 60 years old, to start withdrawing money. So it only works if you're going to keep the money in there until you're 60 years old. So, in other words, you need to have other money to survive until you're 60, and you can withdraw. So anyone can do this, absolutely. Just start a Roth RIA account and invest in it. But if you do withdraw before you're 60, you have to pay tax on it, which defeats the whole point. If the bill doesn't pass, crypto wash rule wouldn't happen. I'm not sure if the wash rules are also in that bill. I have no idea, but yeah, there's a lot of sneaky stuff in these bills. BlockFi pays 9% up 40K on GUSD. Got to check that one out too. That's a lot more realistic, but that's still pretty unheard of. Like 9-10% a year, not impossible, but you have to disclose how you're making this money, and especially if you're not insured. It's just very shady. I want to know how these companies make all this money, because it kind of sounds like a Ponzi scheme waiting to happen. I don't know. USA interest rates paying 20% in 1980. Well, they're raising rates right now. I don't know how high it's gonna go, but inflation's the worst in 40 years, and we might see something similar pretty soon. How do I do it? dude, you just open a new account. TD, Ameritrade, Vanguard, like any brokerage, just open a new account and make sure you select Roth IRA. Or you can do regular RIA, but Roth is probably better. You know, you have a cash account, margin account, or like Roth account, and then you have to select Roth account. I think you can even convert your existing account into Roth or regular RIA. I'm not sure on that, so don't quote me on that, but yeah, you could either start a new account on any brokerage. You have to select RIA, or IRA, my bad. I'm thinking RIA, which is what I want to do. IRA, and I think you can convert your accounts already, but don't quote me on that. But yes, anyone can do it. They need to just wait another 30 years or so before they close the loophole. Let me cash out first. Well, I don't know. Maybe it won't go through because, you know, wealthy people have a lot of power, a lot of influence, especially in politics. And a lot of people are pissed off about it. You know, a lot of wealthy people. So I don't want it to close, but we'll see what happens. For now, it's okay. But, you know, in the near future, who knows? May not be a thing anymore. Hey, these interest rates just show the power of crypto, good or bad? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. It's here to stay. I have Roth IRA, but can only contribute $6K a year. Is that for your job or for investment? Because it sounds like that's for your job. So you can open another Roth IRA just for investments. You can YOLO GameStop on Roth IRA. I don't think you should do that, but yeah, you can do whatever you want. Can you do Roth IRA day trading without following 25K rules? No. You still need 25K if you want to day trade without restrictions. I believe. Not 100%, but I'm pretty sure you need 25K still to day trade. Look into it, investment? Yeah, for sure. You know, it's a well-known loophole. That's why they want to get rid of it. But, you know, take advantage while you can. All right. So on to the next article here. So, you know, this is more light here. This was on Wall Street Bets as well. I have C19. Jim Cramer says. He says he's been triple vaccinated and has a mild case. CNBC's Jim Cramer said Monday he tested positive for C19 and isolating at home with a mild case. If you'd like to lessen the chance of getting very sick, I think you should get vaccinated. All right, whatever. Despite getting C19 himself, Cramer said the recent market sell-off looks like a chance to buy stocks. Okay. So yeah, Wall Street Bets was having a field day with this. And yeah, he lives in New York, or he doesn't live in New York. He comes into New York to work, but that's the epicenter right now. It's crazy. All the testing sites, it's like welfare, man. It's like the line is going around the block. It's crazy right now. Everyone's scared about the C19, especially in New York right now. Either you have it or someone you know has it. So, yeah. Wall Street Bets was having a field day with this. They hate Jim Cramer. And, you know, I don't wish anything bad on him, but it was pretty funny. Like the stuff you saw on Wall Street Bets. So, yeah. Jim Cramer has C19. Breaking news. Whole fam is vaccinated and still won't have anyone over for holidays. Yeah. That's pretty extreme. You know, even I don't want to get too political here, and you know, YouTube is listening, so can't get too deep in this. But yeah, Fauci said you should get tested and show it to your family members before you go over for Christmas. This is what we got to do now. So, what if you showed them proof of negative results? Busy bone. Some people are just nuts, you know, just overcautious and stuff. You know, it's here to stay. The C19 is going to be here forever. We just have to live with it at this point. And I ain't getting no damn booster shot. You got to make me get the booster shot because I only got the regular one because I thought that was it, right? I got the J&J, one shot, it's over with. Now you got to get this booster, and then in 6 months another booster, and I'm like, screw that. Hell no. You got to make me, which they probably will in New York State very soon, or New York City at least. They're going to change the definition of fully vaccinated and make you get the booster. So I ain't getting it until you force me to. Vaccine doesn't work since people are getting C19. It doesn't work. Well, it's going to help you from getting more sick, like Cramer said, but it ain't going to stop you from getting it for sure. But it'll prevent you from getting deleted. Let's put it that way. Kyrie Irving can come back to play for the Nets. Yeah, that's pretty funny because I was going to go to the game this weekend, either Saturday or Sunday, and the tickets were like $15. And I was like, why the hell is it so cheap? It's because the whole team is in protocol. 9 players are in protocol. And it's literally just G League players. Nobody wants to see that. And it's so bad they do have Kyrie Irving coming back now. They caved into him, and he can only play away games. But yeah, he is coming back. I will ask because flying out there, because we flying out there, and I feel stupid for going now. Yeah, I don't know. You know, everyone has crazy family. Everyone has crazy family, so, you know, pretty sad because, you know, you're supposed to be celebrating together and you can't, but, you know, gotta respect their house. Alright, guys, so, yep, that is the news for today. Let's get on to the analysis. Alright, so, yeah, this is going down a lot right now. So, again, for today, we only have 2. We're going to do SOPA, Society Pass, right here, and then NIO. And that's it. Only 2 analysis for today. Should not take too long at all. And then we'll get to the Yolos. Fun stuff. Got a lot of good memes today. So let's do it, guys. Gonna take a drink, and we'll get started. I heard Boston's mayor will force to get vaccine to attend NBA games and other places to go. So it's like New York City. You can't do anything indoors unless you're vaccinated. Which I think is a little overboard, but hey, that's how it is. You know, you're essentially forced to get it if you want to do anything. That's what it is. Which is, I don't believe in that. Okay. So let's do it, guys. So here is SOPA, Society Pass. This finishes at $11.26 today. That is up 240.18%. So this was the major runner today. Made top 10 on StockTwits. Definitely squeezing here. So we'll talk about it. And there was news on this. So let's check it out. Okay, so the news was that this stock got added to the Russell 2000 index. So I'm not exactly sure how much that had to do with this squeeze today, but probably a pretty big factor. When it gets added to an index like the Russell 2000, a lot of hedge funds have to buy in. So it seems like a lot of institutions bought in to rebalance here, and then it made trending on StockTwits top 10, and the apes also piled in. So apes and institutions piling in here, causing the stock to squeeze today. So let's go ahead and analyze here. So first of all, we have a possible cup and handle. We have a possible cup and handle. Looks like the top of the cup could be either around 16 or 39. And it looks like the bottom of the cup is around $3. So that would currently be a bullish indicator because that means the stock does have more upside potential to run to either 16 or 39. We also have a gap up today at 375. So that's a bearish indicator that is telling us this stock should come back down to 375 eventually to fill this gap. Okay. And for everyone who wants to follow along, the chart is in the description down below. Okay. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 1525. Oh, wait, excuse me. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 1255 and $11. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 1255, 1525, 3010, 3395, 3895, 4070, 4360, 4530, 4860, 5205, 5460, and then the high of 7735. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be $11, $9.65, $7.15. Gonna zoom in here. Come on. $6.35, $5.60, $4.45, and then the low of $3.10. Well, let me redo this one. Damn it. My bad, guys. Just gotta draw another line here. Okay. And then the low of 325. And this is selling off pretty hard here in the aftermarket down to 1025. So that is a bearish indicator going into tomorrow. That is a good indication of that is telling us this stock will probably continue to sell off tomorrow. So right now at this current price, 1126, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized. So expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. But from 1525 to 39, the channels are pretty wide, so expect significant price action if this breaks 1525 all the way up to 39. RSI is currently at 39, so that's below average, believe it or not, even after this huge pump today. RSI was extremely low before today. This was oversold and undervalued up until today. And this did 167 million in volume today, by far the biggest volume they ever for the stock. So yeah, this pump/squeeze today was confirmed by the volume. It is like living 1960. You need to get vaccines to eat, restaurant, NBA game, and other people not touching vaccine can't do nothing. I have no idea. That's like when my parents were born. So, but yeah, not fun, not fun. Okay. So just my opinion, not financial advice, guys. The squeeze may not be over, but it certainly looks like it's coming to an end here. Looks pretty bearish to me. Again, we have the gap up at 375. Was it 375? Yeah. And again, this is selling off in the aftermarket here. So I do believe the squeeze is over. I may be wrong, but it really looks like the squeeze is over. And it's probably going to pull back pretty significantly here in the short term. So we do have the cup and handle, which is bullish. So, but overall, this does look bearish. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. Personally, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. You already missed your chance. This went up 240% today. That being said, the squeeze may not be over, although I do believe it is. But going long here would be a straight-up gamble at this point. It's a high-risk, high-reward play. I don't think it's a good idea. You're probably going to get burned. But if you guys understand you are gambling and you're willing to lose some money, then sure, go for it. Just understand you are gambling. But I don't think it's a great idea, and I would not do that. So please do that at your own risk, guys. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, looks like a pretty good play to me. Again, there's a gap up at 375, so it should pull back there eventually, probably in the relative short term. So from this price, 1125 down to 375. It's a lot of downside potential there. That's that'd be 50, 60. That'd be over a 60% downside. Like 65%. That'd be around a 70% downside. A lot of downside potential. A lot of tinnies to be made. So going short here looks like an excellent play. And I would support that. But just understand, this still may be squeezing. So there is still risk involved. So as long as you're able to withstand more upside potential, this should eventually come back down to 375. So going short here would be a medium risk, high reward play, I would say. Definitely worth a shot. Definitely worth it in my opinion. So I would support that. But again, it is still risky. So please do that. So please do that at your own risk. Okay. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up, not financial advice. But like I said, looks really bearish in the short term, so don't get too greedy, guys. Secure the gains. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is SOPA, Society Pass. Alright, one more, guys. NIO. Probably go 2 hours, not an hour and a half, because there's a lot of people in here chatting. But always welcome. You know, I appreciate you guys. A lot of people in here chatting. Always welcome that. All right, so we'll do NIO, and we'll get on to the Yolos. I'm not sure where I should stop here. Maybe 44. Stop at 44 and... Okay. So here is NIO. So here is NIO, NIO. This finishes at $28.16 today. That is down 6.13%.
Good.
So NIO has been trending for the past few days. Probably because their big catalyst, NIO Day, was on Saturday. So let's check out some stuff from NIO Day here. Let's check out some news from NIO Day. Okay. So they unveiled the new ET5 midsize sedan. There are ET7 updates, which is another sedan they have. They announced AR/VR integration. Sounds pretty cool. And ambitious international expansion plans. So that definitely sounds bullish, but it appears like the apes sold the news. Because it took a big fat dump today, down 6%. So yeah, this was a great example of selling the news. And in addition to that, just in general, China is not doing well. The Chinese stocks are not doing well. They've been bleeding for a long time here, and NIO is included in that. But let's go ahead and analyze here. So we do have a gap down at 33. So that's a bullish indicator. That is telling us this stock should come back up to 33 eventually to fill that gap. And now we have to go back 3 years because this is near the yearly lows on the 1-year chart. There's a gap up at around 950. So that's a bearish indicator that is telling us this stock may come back down to 950 eventually to fill this gap. At this point, it looks pretty unlikely. But if this bleeding and the sell-off continues, which there's a good chance it will, China is very unpredictable right now. It's a real possibility. So just be aware of that, guys. Gap up at 950, bearish indicator. I think we can kind of draw. Yeah, we're gonna. It's gonna draw some consolidation, but you know what? We're not gonna do that right now. Okay. So right now this is sitting on the support of 28.25. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 29.40, 30.65, 32.10, 33.55, 34.90, 35.95, 37.05, 38.05, 39.05, $40, 41.05, 42.30, 43.05, and then 44.05. And there is resistance above 44.05, but we're not going to discuss that right now. Oh, and if you guys want to follow along, the link is in the description down below to the chart. Okay. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 27.30, 26.55, 25.35, 22.35, 21.05, $18, $16, 14.35, 12.70, 10.25, and then 7.85. And there is support below 7.85, but we're not going to discuss that right now. So right now at this current price, 28.15, the channels to the upside and the downside are decently sized. So expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 25.35 to the downside, the channel starts to open up and get really wide. So expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 25.35 up until 7.85. So from 25.35 down to 7.85, expect significant price action. So on the 1-year chart, the RSI is at 27, which is undervalued and oversold. So this could be a good buying opportunity. Not financial advice. But on the 3-year chart, the RSI is at 36, so not quite oversold and undervalued on the 3-year chart. And this did 56 million in volume today, which is below average, so this sell-off today was not confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, so just my opinion, not financial advice. I really do like this stock. I'm a pretty big believer in this company. I like the fundamentals. I like the technology. But I did sell in the 50s. So I escaped. And right now, all these Chinese stocks are so volatile. Very scary. So I can't in good faith recommend buying this stock as of right now. I do think long term it's a good play. Eventually it's going to have to bottom somewhere, but I don't think it's a good idea right now. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Honestly, 28 is a pretty damn good price, but like I said, nobody knows where the bottom is. There probably is a lot more room to the downside here. And like I said earlier, if this breaks 25.35, that's going to be really bad. It might go as low as, it might go back down to 950 to fill the gap. So you know what? If it does come back down to 950, I think that'd be a really excellent buy. But for now, I definitely hold off on this on the long side. It does not appear like it's going to be going up anytime soon. It does not appear like these Chinese stocks are going to be going up anytime soon. And nobody knows where the bottom is. So I don't think going long on this stock right now is a good idea. I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I guess it's a decent play because, again, there's a lot of China FUD right now, and it probably will keep going to the downside. I wouldn't do it personally because I do like the stock long term and fundamentally. It's a good stock. But so I personally wouldn't short it. But like I just said, there does appear to be more downside potential. And if this breaks 25.35, you're going to make some bank. So I would say going short here would be a medium risk, high reward play. Definitely worth a shot. Could pay off pretty big if this does keep running to the downside. So I could support that. Just please do that at your own risk. Again, this is a pretty legit company here. So still risk involved. I don't like it, but it could pay off pretty big. So I could support it. Just please do it at your own risk. And I guess that goes for all the Chinese stocks. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is NIO, NIO. SOPA. Yeah, DB. I don't know if you left or came back or what, but I did do SOPA. Not too long ago. So if you want to rewind, did the whole TA there. This is going back up, yeah. But still under 1125, which it finished at. So it does still look bearish in the short for tomorrow. So we'll have to see where this finishes at 8 o'clock Eastern when the aftermarket closes. But it's not looking good right now. But it is recovering. But yeah, still, unless it comes back up to 1125, it's looking pretty bearish for tomorrow. Just saying it's moving. All right, got you, dude. Yeah, it's going back up, but still, still pretty bearish. If the news isn't Xi Jinping come out and saying, "I done dumping it, nothing is going to help the China stocks." There's a gap at 10. Yep, gap at 950. I'll be out before 8. Yeah, we'll be out before 8 too, but I'm just saying, depending on where it finishes at 8, you would have a good idea of how it's going to trade tomorrow. If it finishes below 1125, which it is right now, if this holds up, then that's not good for tomorrow. But if it finishes over 1125, then that's a bullish indicator for tomorrow. But right now it's not looking good. So we'll keep an eye on this. But yeah, guys, that is all the TA for today. That's it, only 2. Straightforward. Doing pretty good on timing here. Only an hour and 20 minutes in, and right now is the fun part, the Yolos. So thank you guys for sticking around. Let's get to the Yolos now. 1 second. Let me pull it up. And if you guys... Oh, XRP. Right, XRP. So let me pull up XRP from Marvin. And then we'll get to the Yolos. And if you guys want me to look at any other charts, put them in the chat right now. And we'll get to that. Trading view. Okay, XRP. So RSI is pretty average, 48 right now. Kind of looks like it's cup and handling here, which is not good in the short term. That's bearish. May even be a bear flag. Kind of looks like a possible bear flag. That's not good. But it does look like it's consolidating somewhat here. Like this. So, what the hell is this? So, a little difficult to tell. But it does appear more bearish, I would say, in the short term. It's consolidating, so that's bullish. Cup and handle is bearish. Bear flag, bearish. RSI neutral. So, yeah, kind of hard to tell, but I would say it does look more bearish than bullish in the short term, at least. Interesting. But, you know, it honestly doesn't look too bad. Right now, I would say it looks like a hold. Not really a buy or a sell, but a hold right now. So I hope that answers your question, Marvin. What the hell happened here? It dipped all the way down to like 60 real quick. Okay. Alright. On to the Yolos. Let me save this. Alright. So give me a second, guys. Pulling them up here. Got a lot of memes and a few YOLOs. This might take a minute. Alright, so this is loading. Gonna take a drink and we'll get started. Alright, how many people still in here? Says 4 people. Cool. Alright, so appreciate everyone still here. Alright. Not done. Alright, we'll get started. So today we got a lot of memes. A lot of memes and a few YOLOs. A lot of lost corn. So nothing too serious. Should be fun. Let's do it, guys. So this first one is by DV12. Here's a meme. Meanwhile, at CNBC, and then we told them there would be a Santa rally. They bought calls. And I don't know if you guys know this meme, but it's the Spanish guy who just was dying laughing. Oops, couldn't say that. Oh well. So, yeah, it's like the guy laughing. That's the meme. So, Santa rally, right?
Bruh.
Alright, there's still 3 days to go. We might get one. Sorry about the sirens, guys. Gonna talk over it. So, yeah, pretty funny meme here. Santarelli lol. My ass. Alright, next one. By JV Nas I don't know. I'm not even gonna try that. Word of the year, transitory. Here's another meme, another laughing meme of these like politicians here. Or billionaires. I've seen this before. Then we told them it's transitory.
Bruh.
That's what Jay Powell said. It's transitory. Keep printing. And, yeah, that's a lie. It's definitely not transitory anymore. Remember, the whole time, this whole year, it's transitory. It's transitory. Now, we should stop using the word transitory. Yeah, because it's here to stay. Inflation's 40-year high. So, yeah, these are the rich guys laughing. We told them it's transitory. They duped us all. So, pretty funny meme here. You meant to say deleting himself laughing. Yeah, there you go. Too late. YouTube got me. Alright, next one. By Python Ista37 with Great J Power. So, I thought this was pretty hilarious. So this is this is a meme of the new Spider-Man movie that just came out. So we got J Pal here. And it's Spider-Man. You get it? Because spider is like SPY. So Spider-Man, far from the bottom. Far from bottom. Spider-Man is far from home. So far from bottom. Extended puts. So AMC theaters is below 29. Well, I didn't see that before. Inflation up. And Omicron. So, yeah. Our man J Powell here. This was pretty good. This was a good one. Alright. And this is a meme from the Logan Paul fight. I guess happened this Saturday. I really didn't know, but yeah. I got a little video here. Play. So you got Gabe. Oop. Slipped up again. Rainbow Bear. Santa Rally. Omicron. J Pal. Transitory. Let's see it one more time. Rainbow Bear, Santa Rally, Omicron, J Pal, transitory. So the Rainbow Bears knocked out the Santa Rally. Yep. One more time. Gonna see that at 6 o'clock? Yeah, I think you told me about that last week, so I heard it was pretty good. Apparently it's the second highest opening night ever for any movie. So it looks pretty good. They're bringing back all the bad guys, the Green Goblin and Sandman and Dr. Octopus. So, and I think there's some other superheroes in there. So it looks really good. But I'm pretty cheap, so I'm gonna wait till it's on cable, or it's not gonna be on Disney Plus, but I'll see it on bootleg or cable. All right, you'll like this one, Marvin, by Janto, 2021. Oxygen bag holders in 2035. Year 2035. Oxygen bag holders waiting for emergency use authorization. So, yeah. I'm not sure what this meme is about. But here's Covaxin. What is this? Here's an earring and a Fu Manchu. I don't know what that's all about. But, yeah. Clown on the on the oxygen holders. Gonna be waiting forever. I legit feel bad for, oxygen holders here. At MMAT and Clover and Wish and all these meme holders. Marvel knows how to make a good film and gives the fans what they want. Absolutely, absolutely. I've been watching Hawkeye lately. That's really good. It's almost over, but all these TV shows are pretty good too. Oh God, no, lol. It's funny because it's sad. Like, this is reality here. Haven't been on the stock twits for a while, but it's probably just people screaming, "Buy the dip, it's gonna moon." Same with MMAT, Clover, Wish, all that stuff. All right, this one is by 250 Rider. They say TD Ameritrade trying to find me, but I already deleted the app. So, when you're getting margin called, you just delete the app. Just reset. And you're good. Reset the save file. So, yeah, this is pretty funny here. Emergency alert, endangered missing advisory. Young man with autism. And here's the margin call. So, he's getting margin called for $430,000. $432,000. See here, cash available, $1 million. Margin available, negative $2.4 million. Total, negative $1.4 million. So, yeah, he owes $432,000.
Good.
Be connect.
And yep, TD is margin calling him. And he's missing. Young man with autism. This is pretty funny. You know what? I should get the meme of the Mexican guy laughing. The laughing meme. That'd be a good one. I'm gonna add that. Nice, he's getting ahead of them by deleting the app, lol. Yeah, catch me if you can. That'd be a good time for the laughing meme. But yeah, good stuff, good stuff. Can you look up CEI news? Sure, Monir. Thanks for being here, dude. Still, I thought you were gone, but... Yeah, let me just finish up with these Yolos here, then we'll look at CEI. Alright, so let's get on to the actual Yolos now. This one is by Logan LP. Naughty or Nice? Santa NVIDIA. Let's check it out. Alright, so... pretty ridiculous stuff here. So we got 79 calls for NVIDIA. A lot of different expirations and strikes. But this was a 10K YOLO. Not down too much here just yet. Only down 350. But I wanted to show this to you guys because this is pretty insane. So NVIDIA is at like 270 or something. 277. Look at these. So for December 23rd, which is 3 days away, on Thursday, we got calls for 495 strike, 400 strike, 480 strike. Then next week, December 31st, 450 strike. And then for next year, 470, 500. What else we got here? Yeah, 500, and then a lot of 500 strikes for January, February, April, June, and September. Well, at least... oh, so he's a 600 strike here, and at least the September 2022 is 350. That's the only realistic one, which is still kind of a stretch. I don't know. So, yeah. Not the most money in the world, but insane plays here. Super FDs. Way out of the money strikes. So, essentially lottery tickets. Imagine these hit. That'd be fun. Oops. I almost slipped again. That'd be pretty hilarious. So, yeah. NVIDIA's at 277 right now. He needs 400, 450, 495, 480 in like 2 weeks here. 1 in 2 weeks. What the actual hell? And I just think this is not going to work. So, yeah. Lottery tickets. Super 8 play. But, hey. So, Logan LP, thanks for posting. I'm not exactly sure what the logic is here, other than let's gamble. But this is pretty bad if you ask me. All these plays, bad strikes, bad expirations, and this is most likely going to go to 0. But hey, you never know. You never know. Apes love NVIDIA. So thanks for posting. Good luck to you, and please post updates. I would suggest cutting, but hey. Great content, you belong here, man. Good luck to you. I'm rooting for you. Although I don't think it's going to work. WTF are you thinking? Here's the laughing meme. Dude, holy shiz, you deserve disability checks. Good stuff, good stuff. Alright, this one is by Jamaica Industries. You already know, the legend himself. From God Emperor to Tard Emperor, increased my position by 900 shares, GME YOLO. So we've been reviewing this guy like every other day. He went from like 200% all-in margin GME. Then he went to like 700% all-in GME. Portfolio diversity. Now it's at 850% GME portfolio diversity. And now he added 900 shares. What the actual hell?
Bruh.
But hey, great content. In the name of content, salute you. What a legend. What a legend. So here's an update. Now he has 4,000 shares. Market value, well, 850% portfolio diversity. So this was a 840K YOLO, and right now he's down $214,000, down 25.5%.
Good.
Yep. At this point, I think he's just doing it to get famous. I don't know. Because this makes no sense. This is not good investing, guys. But, definitely belongs here. He's a legend. Wall Street Bet's legend. No matter what happens, he will forever be a legend. So, respect. But the play itself, this is pretty stupid. Don't do this, guys. Imagine it works. Average cost is 210. What is GME at? 157. Honestly, he's probably going to make his money back. That's the most diversified portfolio I've ever seen in my life. Yeah, right? Portfolio margin, all in GME. At least they're not options. So yeah, Jamaica Industries, thanks for posting. You are a legend. Thanks for the update. Looking forward to see many more. You definitely belong here, man. Super ape, super ape. And I'm certainly rooting for you. This is really retarded, but yeah, you are a legend. You belong here, man. I think everyone's rooting for you, although this is pretty stupid. So, thanks for the update, and good luck to you, man. Why are all you retard... Whoop, I keep slipping. I keep slipping today. Damn, I'm gonna get... YouTube is gonna have a field day with me. Why are all you artards leveraging like a effing lunatic? Because they are retarded. You answered your own question, artard. Okay. Yep, good luck to this guy. Alright, by Medi B 92. So we're all buying this dip, right? Come on, Santa. Well, there's still a chance. Santa rallied 3 days. So, yeah, here we got 750 SPY calls, 458 strike. Expiring Wednesday. So these were purchased today. So super FD. 2-day or 3-day YOLO here. This was a $100,000 YOLO. Nope, never mind. This was a $140,000 YOLO. And right now he's down $41,000, down 29%.
Good.
Be connect.
So, yeah, that's how you lose 41K in a day. Still a chance, though. So, let's check it out. SPY. So, it's at 455. So, this is out of the money right now. 2 days to go. I really don't know what the logic here is. Yeah. I don't even know what to do at this point. Do you hold and risk another 100K, or do you cut right here and lose 41K? Well, you shouldn't have done it in the first place. This is ridiculous. The play itself. good strike, bad expiration, and bad timing. So overall, not the greatest play. Not terrible, but pretty bad. And yeah, he's getting wrecked right now. So, personally, I just cut it right here because you're probably going to lose another 100K, especially the way the market's been going. I don't think there's a Santa rally. But, there's still a chance. But, yeah, I think you should just save face and cut here. This was not a good idea. It's going terrible and probably going to go to zero. But hey, it's not Wall Street Bets if you don't hold to expiration, right? So Maddie B92, thanks for posting. Great content, very entertaining. You are a madman. Don't know what you're thinking here or what you're doing, but it's great content. And yeah, the play itself, pretty bad. And you're getting wrecked right now. So as of right now, I think you should cut. Save face. 100K is a lot of money. Don't really want to lose that. But no matter what happens, please post updates. Want to see how this goes. Good luck to you. I certainly hope it works out. But this is insane. It's beginning to look like ramen. I can still buy a lot of ramen with 80K. $40K in 4 hours. It's just numbers on the screen. You can think of it that way. Yeah, you can just delete Robinhood. Good stuff, good stuff. You know, at this point, I'm pretty convinced that people just do stupid stuff like this just to get famous. 5 minutes of fame. Oh, what the hell's going on with my earpiece here? Oops. All right, two more. This one is by Axel Paulson, 514. Let's just say we used to have 10K in here now. Let's just say we used to have 10K in here. Now we at $300. F. Nice. Okay. So here's the play. Let me open this one too. So we have 10 calls for NVIDIA. Another NVIDIA play here. 350 strike expiring December 31st. So 2 weeks to go. This was a not 10K, but this was a little over 4K YOLO, 4.2K YOLO, and right now it's down $3,100, down 92.4%. Yeah, 350. Right now it's at 277. So you're gonna need a miracle for this. This ain't happening. So we bought these November 30th. November 30th. All right. So on November 30th, this was at like 320. I'll just call it 330. So we bought the all-time high at 330. So, I kind of see why he did it. He just bought the all-time high. So it isn't that stupid. It just didn't work out. So, yeah. Decent strike, bad expiration, bad timing. All around, not terrible, but pretty bad. And, yeah. Not surprised he's down all this money. So this is pretty straightforward. It's not going to 350 in 2 weeks. You got $320. Cut it. It's not happening. But we look at the chart here. Let's look at this chart too. So he was up. So he was at $7,500. So he was up 138%, and then now he's down 89% in the past month. So, yeah, not the worst thing in the world, not the most money in the world, but yeah, this is a play gone wrong, and that's how you blow up your whole account. So, Axel Palson, 514, thanks for posting. Great content, sorry for your loss. The play itself, I understand it, it's just pretty bad. Don't buy the all-time high. And, yep, that's how you blow up your account. So I give you the Wendy's. Give you the clown. And yeah, I guess go work at Wendy's for a year, make your money back, and I'll see you back here. And at this point, just cut your money, dude. $320 is still a decent amount of money. You're gonna lose it if you don't cut, so just cut it, dude. It's not happening. But yeah, thanks for posting. Great content. Sorry for your loss. Good luck to you, man. All right, last one. By Tot173. I'm down 59K in my Baba contracts. I'm not surprised. So this is actually a leaps here. Alibaba, January 20th, 2023. These are the same that I have. Not 360, but I had them for 300, which is pretty much worthless now. So we got 500 calls for, yeah, Alibaba 360 strike, January 2023. So this was a 76K, 77K YOLO. And right now he's down $59,000, down 77%.
Be
Bruh.
Good.
So, yeah, I don't know about 360. So we got a year to go. Alibaba's at 115. So that's literally over a 200% upside needed in 1 year. Well, I guess a little more than a year. Yeah, I don't think it's happening. I don't think it's happening. So, you know, I get the play. It's a leaps for Alibaba, which is a really good company, but, you know, China's not doing great right now. So at this point, you still got 17.5K. A lot of money. Alibaba will go back to in the 300s eventually, but I don't think in a year, dude. So, yeah, the play itself, it was pretty decent. I think the strike is kind of out there, but it was pretty decent play. Just went pretty bad here. So, I would say this is a pretty okay play, pretty decent play. It's not bad at all. I understand. It just went really bad. This wasn't like a super ape FD YOLO. So, yeah, just, you know, unfortunate circumstance. So, yeah, I think you should cut right now because it's probably not happening. 200% in a year, probably not happening. And it's probably not even done selling off yet. So, yeah, pretty straightforward. I think you should cut here. So, Tot173, thanks for posting. Great content, very entertaining. Sorry for your loss, man. Not exactly your fault, just unfortunate circumstance. And at this point, I think you should cut because it's probably going to zero. But no matter what happens, it's going to be a while, but please post updates. Good luck to you, man. Rooting for you. It's fine. I needed to hear this. Thanks. It's expiring 2023. Law, what you crying about? Baba will probably bounce back if Winnie the Pooh backs off. What? He got more contracts now? He doubled down? You gotta be kidding me. Alright, guys. So that's all the YOLOs. Let's do CEI for Monir, and that's it. So if you guys have anything else, any charts you want me to look at, or news or links or whatever, put them in the chat. If not, we'll finish up here with CEI and we'll get out of here. What the hell? It's down to 95 now? What's going on? CEI discloses communication from NYSC. They're probably telling them they're not in compliance here. So this isn't really anything new, but I guess it's bad PR. So they're not in compliance with the New York Stock Exchange rules, because I guess they're under $1 now. So they can request an extension, which they did. So they have until January 14th to file another extension. And if they get granted that one, they can extend it up to May 20th. But, yeah, they are not in compliance with New York Stock Exchange rules right now. They need to be over $1. So, yeah, right now they have until January 14th to get that in order, and if not, they can apply for another extension for May 20th, but yeah, that's bearish news. They're probably going to have to do a reverse split, to be honest. That's probably what's going to happen. So yeah, negative PR for Camber Energy, but honestly, this isn't really breaking news. I remember reading about that maybe a couple of weeks ago or something, so not quite sure why it's selling off here. That's not new news, but yeah, now it's at 94. So nasty stuff. They have to get in compliance here. So what's going to happen is they're probably going to file a reverse split, and it's going to tank even more, like the typical meme stock. So I hope that answers your question, Monir. All right, guys. So that's all I got for today. That is the show. Went 2 hours. Longer than I expected. But, yeah, great show today. You know, the past few shows, the whole past, like, week, 2 weeks, it's been really great. Appreciate everyone for making these shows possible. And the content great. Hope you guys enjoyed. I had a blast. Hope you guys enjoyed today's show. I had a good time. And, yeah, today's video should be easy to make. Only 2 things to edit there. So that should be up tonight. But yeah, that's all I got for today, guys. So anything else before we get out of here? Questions, comments, concerns, charts? I don't buy CEI. Yeah, don't, dude. Don't. Alright, going once. Going twice. Alright, I think that's it. Alright, you two on here. Peace out. So once again, guys, no show on Friday, Christmas Eve. Stock market's closed. Other than that, yeah, appreciate everyone for joining me today. A lot of regulars in here, some new people. And yeah, you guys made the show. You made this possible. Great show today. So appreciate everyone. Let's get out of here. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know, diamond hands to the moon. No point in looking at any of these charts in the market besides crypto, but there's still a Santa rally, bro. There's still a chance. Santa rally. Yeah, I'm not excited for tomorrow and the whole week. But, you know, fingers crossed. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.